Start from exercise B, but first we learn this definition. First definition is even and odd number. This is a definition of even. A number which is exactly divide by 2 is an even number. So that is example is 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even number. And odd, this is the definition of odd number. This is a definition of odd number. A number which is not divisible by 2 is an odd number. Any number adding with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 is an odd number. Prime number. What is a prime? A natural number that has only two distinct factors, namely 1 and the number itself is a prime number. Means that 1 and 2, 1 and 3. 1 is a natural number and 2 is itself, this is a prime number. Okay. Other example is a composite numbers. A number which has more than two factors is a composite number. For example, 6, 8, 9. 6, there is a more than two factor, 1, 2 and 3. And 8 is means that we completely divided by this. 1 is also complete, 2 also complete, 3 also divided by 6 is completely. So it is more than two factors. These 6, 8, 9 say that is the composite number. This is important. A natural number in a two kinds, odd number and even number. Natural number including one, prime number and composite number. This is a example of prime number and this is a example of composite number. Okay. In page number 41, this is an important point from exercise 3b. Twice prime are pairs of our prime numbers with a difference of 2. Example 3, 5, 5, 7. It is a twice prime number, and if we simplify means that we difference with subtract this value, we get the answer is a 2. 7 subtract 5, answer is a 2. 11, 13, we subtract, answer is a 3. This is a twice prime. Triple prime, a number of three successive prime numbers. The number differ by 3 form of prime tripled, which is example is 3, 5 and 7. It different is a 2. This is a triple prime. Okay, now we solve exercise 3b. In page number 42, exercise 3b, now we start exercise 3b. First part, state whether the following statement are true or false. First is the sum of two odd number is also odd. Means that if we take the odd number and then we sum, is answer always is odd number. We check this odd number. 1 and 3 is the odd number. We add this. 3 plus 1 is a 4. Answer come in a even. We take another example. 5 and 3 is odd number. If we add, answer come is a odd. Means that this statement is a false. So we write here false. Okay. Next, the sum of two even number also even. Yes, we take this number 2 and 4 is even number. We add these values. 2 plus 4 is a 6. Take another example. 4 and 8. Both number is even. We add this value. 4 plus 8 is a 12. Answer come also in even number. Means that this statement also true. Every prime number is a odd. Not is true. Not is every prime number is a odd. Every natural number is neither prime and composite number. No, this is a false statement. 3 is a composite number. No, this is only 1 and itself factor. This is a prime number. So this statement is a false. There are many prime triples. Not. Student, in the previous page we also learned triple prime. Only one example, 3, 5 and 7. It's mean this statement is a false. 6 is a smaller even composite number. False. 6 smallest even number is composite is a 2. This is a 6. 6 is a greater number. It's mean this statement also false. The greatest prime number of two digits is 97. Just it is a true. So we write here true statement. Second is classify the following into odd even number. Student, you also See the definition of even and odd number. If we divide this number is completely 2, it is an even number. Last number is a odd, means that this number is odd. Second 3 is a odd, means that this number is a odd, not completely divided by 2. Last number is 8 is even, it means this statement this divided by 2 is completely, it is an even number. Last number is 2, it is completely divided by 2, it means this number is even. This 0 is even number, so say that this is an even number. And last one is a 1 is not divided by 2 completely, it means this number is odd number. Third one, list the prime number between 50 and 75. Okay, student, first we learn repeat the definition of prime number. What is the prime number? Prime number only two factor, one and itself, means that we'll find the prime number between this number. 53 is a prime number, 59, 61, 67, 71 and 73 only divided itself on other one factor is a 1. Find the pair of twice prime between 50 and 80. Between means that not include 50 and 80. Which number is we find the twice prime? Which number? 61 and 59, and other is a 71 and 73. And question number 5, express each of the following odd number as the sum of 3 odd prime number. This is a 19 is a odd number. We take and this number and वो नंबर क्या होने चाहिए? odd होने चाहिए, और वो ऐड करें तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या है? 19 है. 3, 5, 11 is a odd number. If we add this, answer will become is 19. Also 5 plus 13 plus 17, it is a odd number. We add these values, answer it will become is 35. 91, 23 plus 31 plus 37, we add this value, answer it will become is 91. 23, 31 and 37, it is a odd prime number. 6 is write each of the following number as the sum of twice prime. 21 is an even number, okay, but we take the prime number at these values. 11 plus 13 is a twice prime, and we add this value, answer is a 24. 59 and 61 also is a twice prime, is add, answer is a 120. 71 plus 73 is a odd twice prime, and we add this, answer is equal to 154. Write 5 consecutive compositive number, composite more than 2 factors below 30. Which number? 28, 27, 26, 50, 25 and 24. This number more than 2 factors, it is a composite number below 30. Only write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5 number. Question number 8. Write 7 consecutive composite number just below 900, just below 9 to 100. 99, 98, 96, 95, 94, 93 and 92. This is a number more than 2 factors. It is a composite number but below 100. Find an odd number, the reflection which is even, means that we find the odd number when reflection, if we inverse, it will become is even. 43 is an odd number, is reflection is 30, 34 is even. 0 and 1 is odd, but is even is a reflection is a 10. Okay, 10 is a find the even number, the reflection which is also even. 46 is even, and 64 is also even, its reflection is 64. And 80 is a even, and its reflection 08 mean 8 is a also even. Question number 11. There are odd number, the double reflection which is turned is it even, means that we find the odd number, we double one time and second time if we reflect, then it is come in even. This part, this is a odd number, and double time reflection it come is a even, it is a 6. And the even number, the reflection which turn is odd. 6 is even, its reflection is 9 is a odd. And find 2's number. 6 and 9 is a 2 numbers. Okay. I hope all of you understand 3B. Now we move to multiple choice. In page number 43, multiple choice, select the correct answer from the given option. The positive factor of 12 are first is 12, 24, 36, 48. Second 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. First is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is a factor of a 12 because this is completely divided by 12. Value it 2 plus 7 multiplied by 9. What we have to? 9 sevens are 63. First we multiply, then we add this value. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 2 is answer is 55. We take first part. If a number such that the sum of alternative digits is equal, the number must be divisible by 11. Its statement is true. Yes, this statement is true. B part is a true. Which of the following number is 3294 is divisible? 9, 3 and 25. All the above is are divisible by this number. 5. Which of the statement below is true for the set of the prime number? First is a prime number. Second, all prime number is odd. The set is a infinite. So answer is a set of the infinity. 6. If a number ends with 2 zeros, if we will have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 and 25 and 100 as other factor. Which of the following statement is true? Given numbers, not all of even number will be factor. None of the numbers will be factor. 8 is also is a factor. All of the numbers will be factors. Means that this number say 2 will be factor of and number is 2 times of 0. Okay. I hope all of you understand chapter number 3. Allah Hafiz and take care.